All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I'll be brief, I'll be quick as I can, because I just want to show you this beautiful Pixel 8 Pro in that nice minty fresh. So first of all, shout out to Google for sending this over for me to check it out. I appreciate it. I'll show it to you next to the other colors that I have already. Google sent over Bay, and then I bought Hazel and also bought Obsidian. So I'll show you those colors next to this minty fresh. I'm pretty sure you guys probably are wondering what it looks like. So it's the same box and everything that it comes in. Gonna go ahead and see if we can, yeah, we got it that time. You gotta, when you're doing these with the Pixels, you gotta give it a good rip and then it'll pop open. So I'm not so much doing an unboxing to show you what's the contents, because we've seen the, oh man. Oh boy. Folks, you know, you see something online and you wonder, I wonder how that looks in person. I cannot, oh man, folks. Oh boy. I gotta get a screen protector anyway. Let's get this all out of the way. Oh boy. Look at, first of all, I want to say this. Thank you, Google, for not putting a big FCC label on the back of the devices. No IMEIs, no nothing. Just straight up phone when you open the box. This color is not as deep as you, okay, so on some things might make it you think it's going to be a deeper green. This is perfect. Think of a minty fresh, a mint in the green color. This is so crazy. The polished sides, it actually matches this, and this is frosted matte. So this is how it looks. It's going to be a lot brighter on video, more than likely. Like, I can dim the lights real quick and show you, see if it shows any different for you. Nah, it doesn't show any different. I got to tell you, folks, this is a beautiful color. A beautiful color in person. Wow. So you take a look around the camera bar and everything right here. You can see how it's looking. It's like it's a different shade of green, just like the other colors. So let me go ahead and bring in Obsidian. You can see the Obsidian right here. This is how it looks next to the Obsidian. Get off of there, messing up my clean. All right, there we go. Camera bar is a little dirty on the Obsidian. I've been using it a lot, but look at how it looks with the Obsidian. Ooh, yeah. Now let's bring in Bay. Slide over, J Will. Let's bring in Bay, like the #1 color. So, which do you like, Bay, or do you like the minty fresh? Now, you got to see the minty fresh in person, folks. I'm telling you, it's clean. Like, to the naked eye, it looks really good. Wow, that's impressive, man. So Google did like I want to say mid-cycle refresh for a color. They added another color. No one saw this coming. I'm sure you didn't see this coming. Let's get a look at the way it looks for the polished aluminum. You can kind of see. I don't think anybody saw this coming. I'm sure I didn't see it coming. I was, when they first announced it, that is, when they first started talking about this, I had no idea. But here is the minty fresh, man. This is crazy nice right here. They have all these, the camera bar on the sides kind of matching the actual device. And I was wondering how this minty fresh would look in person. And now I know. They did a good job with this one, man. It is definitely eclectic. And Tudia actually has cases already out. I already showed them to you in the past, but Tudia has cases for all the colors. Maybe Tudia knew that there was going to be a green one, you know, because I think they released that long before this device even was announced, or right when it came announced, but the cases came out ahead of time. But wow, this is a sleek device. So just a color representation for you guys, man. Here are all my Pixels. Oh, wait, let me show you Hazel. Forgot Hazel. Boom, here's what Hazel looks like next to it. Now, this is the Pixel 8. The 8 Pro, the Pro lineup doesn't come in these colors right here. I think the previous generation 7 Pros did, but this is really sleek and really nice next to Hazel. That should give you another representation of the color to see exactly how you like it. So if you're deciding between colors, you've got some deciding to do, because the Pro versions come in a frost color. The Pro versions come in that frost color, And it's all of them are nice now though. Even this hazel that has the gloss back, it's still really, really nice. It's really nice. I use it every day. Obviously, that's one of my main. So I'll probably swap SIM cards on these two now, and rock it with the Minty Fresh. Ooh, that's so clean, man. I mean, this is just so nice. Wow. Wasn't expecting it to look this good in person, but I'm telling you, when you see it in person, you're going to have a different, like if you think you don't like most of the things that I don't like when I see them like online, or I see them, you know, the colors aren't represented the same. Once I get it in person, I'm kind of like, oh, that's kind of different. That's really nice. Because remember how I felt about the Obsidian? I wasn't really a fan of the Obsidian. And then once I saw it in person, I was like, whoa. I didn't like the Obsidian. Here's my 7 Obsidian. I didn't like the glossy Obsidian, but once I got it, I was like, wow, this is, you know, it's phenomenal. I bought this ASAP once I started to fall in love with the Obsidian. You know, I don't really care for just solid black phones anymore, but this isn't really a solid black phone. Nonetheless, wow, this is incredible, man. I mean, Google has done a number with the Minty Fresh. It's looking really good, man. I really feel like once you see this in person, you might have a different aspect on how you feel about the green color. Green is already a really beautiful color anyway. But yeah, man, shout out to Google. I won't prolong it any longer. You know, I'm not trying to drag the video on. I just wanted to really show you this color because some people really might want to know, what does it look like next to so-and-so? What does it look like next to so? Think of, you know how bright some of the A lineups are? Like think of kind of that. On the 7A lineup, that powder blue from the 7A lineup, then just switch that to green and just boom, it's that shade, and it's frost too. So man, it's hot, man. Anyway, it's your man Jay, Minty Fresh in the house. Get ready to swap my SIM card with my 8 to my 8 Pro with this Minty joint. I'm gonna be messing around carrying 2 Pixels now. Wow. At the same time. Wow. Anyways, man, Jay, hope you guys enjoyed. What do you think about the Minty Fresh? Team Pixel, rise up in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, I appreciate Google sending this over. Thank you so much. We're going to keep this train pushing. Team Pixel, let's roll.